Opener Blackfly, a revolutionary electric aircraft with a unique look and impressive capabilities. Featuring a distinctive bubble canopy that resembles a boat's hull and 2 wings, each equipped with 4 electric propellers, the Blackfly combines the flight characteristics of both conventional planes and helicopters. As a recreational sport vehicle, it doesn't require a pilot's license to fly, thanks to its ultra-light weight of just 254 lbs. This cutting-edge aircraft also includes a safety mechanism for a safe return home and an optional BRS parachute for added security. Powered by some of the most powerful motors for their size, the Blackfly's patented propulsion technology ensures a thrilling flight experience. Anticipated to be priced similarly to a luxury SUV, this innovative aircraft is set to redefine personal aviation. Lift Aircraft, an innovative company offering thrilling vertical flight experiences for those without a pilot's license. At the heart of Lift's offerings is the Hexa, a personal electric multi-rotor aircraft known for its 18 rotors that provide unmatched stability and security. Designed with ease of use in mind, the Hexa makes the skies accessible to everyone. For just $250, you can experience the exhilaration of flight through Lift's introductory sessions. For the most dedicated enthusiasts, Lift offers an exclusive buyback option after a 5-year term, with a limited number of Hexa units sold for $495,000 each. Lift's vision extends beyond individual flights, as they aim to establish locations where anyone can rent and enjoy the Hexa, bringing personal flight to a whole new level of accessibility. Jetoptera J-2000, a groundbreaking flying car that's redefining the future of personal transportation. With its sleek, streamlined design, the J-2000 boasts capabilities that leave even race cars in the dust. This innovative machine excels with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities and can reach top speeds of 200 mph. Perfect for long-distance travel or air taxi services, the J-2000 offers a range of 200 miles. Inspired by Dyson's bladeless fans. This system generates powerful thrust by channeling a small volume of compressed air through ambient air, eliminating the need for traditional propellers. Equipped with 4 hoop-like thrusters, 2 at the front and 2 at the back, the J-2000's thrusters fold into its body once airborne, with the rear hoops propelling it forward. Copter Pack, a groundbreaking personal aircraft that takes the form of an electric backpack helicopter. Featuring a self-leveling autopilot system, this innovative device promises to revolutionize personal flying by setting new standards for safety and performance. Its carbon fiber honeycomb airframe and unique design integrate the user's body into the aircraft, offering an unparalleled flying experience. Currently in the development stage, the Copter Pack has undergone extensive testing to ensure flight dynamics and stability. It features 2 rotor blades on each side and is controlled using a joystick-like mechanism. For safety, a helmet is mandatory, and LED lights enable nighttime use. While no official announcement has been made regarding its price or availability, the Copter Pack has the potential to transform personal transportation. KiwiGoGo T1, a groundbreaking innovation in high-tech air transportation that combines the freedom of a drone with the sophistication of a capsule. This remarkable flying car features an all-electric powertrain and 6 propeller wings, offering a unique mode of personalized transport that soars effortlessly above traffic. With a top speed of 45 mph, a range of 30 kilometers, and a flight time of 30 minutes, the T1 is ideal for shorter trips. The cockpit, equipped with an X-type safety belt, provides expansive views through its front window, rear windshield, and open sides, enhancing the flying experience. While the exact pricing remains undisclosed, the significant investment in prototypes and models suggests a target towards the high-end market. Icon Life Aircraft, a masterpiece in aviation art designed for thrill seekers and daredevils who crave the exhilaration of the skies. This amphibious light sport aircraft is redefining leisure flying with its exceptional blend of style, safety, and versatility. More than just a flight, piloting the Icon is an adventure, seamlessly navigating both sky and water. Starting at $269,000 for the base model, the Icon offers unrivaled flying pleasure. For those seeking the ultimate experience, the fully equipped version with premium setups and sophisticated capabilities is available for $389,000. Safety is paramount with the Icon's spin-resistant airframe and parachute system, ensuring you can fly with confidence every time. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pilot, the Icon encourages all to embrace the joy of flying confidently and stylishly. Drone Arc Aerosystems, an innovative technology company based in the United Kingdom, dedicated to enhancing the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of civil aircraft. Their flagship gyroplane, the Pegasus, has garnered rave reviews for its adaptability and cost-effectiveness. Featuring a vertical jump takeoff and no-roll landing system, the Pegasus can take off and land without a runway. With a maximum range of 610 kilometers and a 10-minute reserve, it cruises comfortably at 160 kilometers per hour at 7,000 feet. Arc Aerosystems also offers the P3, a 3-seater hybrid version of the Pegasus, and the P9, a 9-seater with advanced vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. These aircraft are set to revolutionize urban air transportation and promote environmentally friendly flying practices. Known for being more affordable than traditional helicopters, Arc Aerosystems is paving the way for the future of efficient and sustainable air travel. Joby Aviation, a cutting-edge aircraft startup based in Santa Cruz, California. Backed by venture capital, Joby Aviation is pioneering the electric vertical takeoff and landing taxi, designed to revolutionize daily commuting by slashing travel times. Featuring 6 electric motors and whisper-quiet operation, this innovative aircraft is perfect for navigating congested metropolitan areas. Joby Aviation has embarked on a rigorous multi-year testing program with the FAA to certify their vehicle for commercial operations, having already logged over 30,000 miles on full-scale prototype aircraft. With a strong commitment to reducing aviation's environmental impact and noise pollution, Joby Aviation is shaping a more efficient and sustainable future of human transport. Cavorite X5, a visionary concept by Horizon Aircraft that promises to redefine long-range hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Designed to accommodate 1 pilot and 4 passengers in a sleek and contemporary package, the Cavorite X5 features a unique pusher propeller for conventional flight and a patented fan and wing system for vertical takeoff and landing. During VTO flight, the wings elegantly slide open, seamlessly transitioning to forward flight where they snap back into place. With a range of 500 kilometers and a maximum cruise speed of 350 kilometers per hour, the Cavorite X5 represents a significant leap forward in advanced air mobility. Emphasizing safety, practicality, and operational flexibility, this aircraft embodies the future of efficient and versatile air travel. Zapata Jettacer, a state-of-the-art flying vehicle crafted by Frankie Zapata. Designed for exceptional speed, agility, and adaptability, the Jettacer boasts a vectored thrust design powered by 10 jet engines, delivering unparalleled all-weather performance. Its compact dimensions allow it to operate from small landing pads, such as offshore platforms and boats, making it incredibly versatile. Featuring proprietary fly-by-wire controls for intuitive operation, the Jettacer serves a wide range of civilian and military applications with both manned and unmanned flight capabilities. With a modular carbon chassis and a payload capacity of 200 kg, it can achieve speeds up to 250 kilometers per hour and reach altitudes of up to 3,000 meters. Vertical Aerospace VX4, a pioneering electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for efficient, emission-free air mobility in urban environments. This innovative aircraft prioritizes passenger comfort with its spacious cabin featuring comfortable seating and ample storage. Precision flying is ensured by the VX4's tilt-shift propellers made from carbon fiber composite, while its low-noise signature technology makes it a perfect fit for noise-sensitive urban areas. Safety is paramount, with the VX4 striving to meet commercial passenger plane standards. While pricing details remain undisclosed, the overwhelming demand with over 1,350 units pre-sold for over $5.4 billion highlights the VX4's value and popularity in transforming air transportation. Jetson One, an electric vertical takeoff and landing plane designed for solo flight enthusiasts. Crafted by the Swedish company Jetson Aero, this aircraft sets a new standard for safe and exhilarating personal air travel. Built to be lightweight yet durable with its aluminum and carbon fiber frame, the Jetson One features redundancy and enhanced safety, boasting 8 electric motors and a single-seat design. With intuitive joystick controls and automatic systems, even first-time pilots can effortlessly take to the skies. Safety features include an obstacle detector, hands-free hover capability, and a ballistic parachute for added security. Capable of reaching speeds up to 63 miles per hour and flying for approximately 20 minutes on a single charge, the Jetson One represents a leap forward in affordable and accessible leisure air travel. LiLium Jet, a groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft from one of the most innovative companies in the field. LiLium is revolutionizing city transportation by offering an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional planes, eliminating the need for large airports or terminals, with its sleek, slim design that easily integrates into existing infrastructure like heliports. With substantial investments, including a disclosed $114 million capital round, LiLium is committed to advancing state-of-the-art technology to develop the LiLium Jet. This aircraft represents a significant step towards decarbonizing aviation and reshaping air travel for a more sustainable future.